Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix insufficient storage in CapCut. If CapCut is showing an insufficient storage message, the issue is often caused by cached files or old projects taking up space inside the app. In this walkthrough, we'll clean that up directly from CapCut so you can free up storage and continue editing more smoothly. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Once the app loads, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon. This will open the main navigation area where you can access more options for the app. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where CapCut stores several app-related controls, including storage and cache options. If your app has been used for a while, the cache can build up and take more space than you might expect, so this is a good place to begin. Inside Settings, find the Cache section and click the Delete icon. This clears temporary files that CapCut has saved over time. Removing cache usually does not delete your important edits or finished projects, but it can help free up storage quickly. Give the app a moment to process the cleanup if needed. After that, click on Save. This confirms the changes you've made in settings. It's a simple step, but it helps make sure the storage cleanup action is applied properly before you move on. Next, go back to the home screen in CapCut. This is where your projects are typically listed. Once you're there, look through the available projects and delete any sample project you do not need. Sample projects can take up unnecessary space, especially if you never plan to use them. Removing them is an easy way to recover a bit more storage inside the app. As you do this, be careful to delete only projects you're sure you don't need. If something looks important, it's best to leave it alone until you've reviewed it. Clearing unused items is helpful, but keeping the right files matters too. Once you've cleared the cache, saved the changes, returned home, and removed any unnecessary sample project, CapCut should have more available space to work with. That can help resolve the insufficient storage warning and improve overall performance during editing. And that's it. You've now gone through the key steps to free up storage in CapCut and reduce the chances of running into storage-related issues while working on your videos.